kuhotana na gucoka wathani-ini ihinda ria keri ta atongoria a mabũrũri mangĩ ta mũtongoria wa bũrũri wa Tanzania Samia Suluhu rodumwe na mũtongoria wa bũrũri wa Uganda Yoweri Museveni. Ole Ntutu arĩtie ũũ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Narok kĩa mũhuro hĩndĩ ya kĩrugũrio gĩa tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere ta thibitarĩ wa Ole Mekenyu ona ũrĩa ũhũthĩrĩte kĩmanjĩka kĩa mirioni 13 kuma kũrĩ thirikari ya kaunti ĩyo.
Nani ameambia nyinyi hii ya 2027 Ruto hawezi kuwa nini president? Iko tatushi kweli? Hii ni mambo ya East Africa. Tunafanya hivyo mpaka tuende mbele. Hakuna mtu anaenda nyumbani. Kama namna gani? Unajua kila nchi iko na tradition yake. Kila nchi iko na tradition yake. Tradition ya East Africa ni 2 term. Hiyo ingine ya 1 term ni pahali ingine, labda huko Amerika, lakini hapa sisi lazima ni 2 term. Ile registration ambayo tumefanya ya phase 2, nataka tu kuhakikishia nyinyi wananchi. Hiyo mwachana naye, tayari rais amefikishiwa ile list yote, na hiyo tunaongojea yeye mwenyewe mpaka aseme kitu. Na nafikiri nyinyi mnanijua watu ya hapa Amalu. Nikiambia nyinyi kitu, ketini mpaka niseme iko sawa ama iko namna gani. So, vijana wangu, hii maneno nasikia mtu anauliza ati imefika wapi? Iko mtu anafuata. Na tutafuata mpaka mwisho. Hata wakati nililete hii Amalu, hatujauliza nyinyi. Mimi najua shida pali ya wananchi wangu na naelewa vizuri.
Na kati ya hiyo maternity 35 tumefungua 20 na leo tunafungua ya 21. Na kila hospitali, kila maternity tuweze kuja hospitali, tutumie mahospitali zetu na vifaa ambayo tumeletewa na gavana.
Tugethie na mbere kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani TSC nĩranĩire ũgitĩri wa arutani. Kamiti ĩyo yugĩte atĩ nĩrakorwo ĩkĩnyitanĩra na honge ingĩ cia gĩthirikari na nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra nĩ yagitĩra arutani na makĩria arĩa maumĩte ithũĩro rĩa bũrũri na icigo ingĩ. Akĩaria na andĩki ya mohoro, mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamiti ĩyo Jamlek Muturi thukuru-inĩ wa Imwana wa Makueni thutha wa kwambĩrĩria mĩhang'o ya kwandĩka arutani arĩa magũkorwo makĩihũria mathenya marĩa matigĩtwo nĩ arutani arĩa mathamĩte. Jamlek augĩte atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩtũmĩte maabitha mwena wa Garissa kwaria na arutani ũhoro-inĩ wĩgiĩ tharĩka ĩrĩa yahanĩkire ica-inĩ ikuhĩ na gũtiga mũrutani ũmwe oragĩtwo.
Across the country, we are recruiting 39 teachers whom we are replacing through natural attrition. And I would like to report that this January we were able to have 24,000 teacher interns. And for the last 3 years of the His Excellency the President in Lane, he has been able to appropriate money to which we have been able to recruit 100,000 teachers. That's why we are here, and the exercise is continuing in the entire country. We are replacing the teachers who have left the commission. So if a teacher has left, for example, Makueni Boys, Maths Physics, we are replacing the teacher Maths Physics in that school. So we are only replacing where the vacancy has arisen from the exit. Otherwise, what we are doing as a commission, we are rationalizing the teaching staff to ensure that there is equity and equality in the distribution of teachers across the country. We have already recruited 24,000 teachers that we have already deployed to these institutions. And the government is doing whatever it takes so that we can recruit more teachers. Otherwise, we have really, the staffing levels have really reduced. And we thank the President for facilitating that through provision of budgetary allocation. The issue of security and safety of teachers, not just in Garissa County, but the entire country, is now being handled within the framework of a multi-agency team comprising key government institutions, including the security agencies. This is in keeping with the principle of all government approach, aimed at safeguarding the security of our teachers within a view to facilitating teaching and learning in all schools in Kenya. The Commission is calling upon all stakeholders, host communities, religious groups, and the entirety of our society to support our teachers who are spread all over the country and continue to offer their services with utmost dedication, courage, and commitment to enable our country to realize the right to education for all the children of Kenya. Working closely with the security agencies, the Commission has sent a team of senior officers to Garissa County to engage with the teachers and assess the situation on the ground. The team will offer the necessary support required by the affected teachers. Once again, the Commission strongly condemns the heinous and cowardly act which has not only robbed a young teacher of his dear life, but also undermines the right to education, peace and security of teachers and learners alike. We wish to inform the public that the Commission takes safety and security of teachers seriously and will offer all the necessary support to improve the welfare of its employees.
Tũgĩthiĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩngĩ nĩ atĩ mũingĩ wa kaunti cia Uasin Gishu na Elgeyo Marakwet gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa North Rift nĩ wambĩrĩirie mĩhang'o ya kũruta mawoni mao megiĩ watho ũrĩa wendekithĩtio wa maiganania ma marĩhi ma motungata kuma kũrĩ rũhonge rwa KENHAS. Ũiganania wa marĩhi macio ũgwetetwo gũteithia wonjoria na njĩra ya gũkorwo ĩkĩeheria aigithia mĩhĩnga rĩrĩa maraigithia kaunti-inĩ itiganĩte na makĩria gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩu.
This public participation forum brings together participants and Kenyans from all walks of life, from the counties of Nandi, Elgeyo Marakwet, Uasin Gishu here, Trans Nzoia, and all the other neighboring counties to be able to interact with a number of documents which were subjected to public participation. These include the Kenya Accreditation Service Amendment Bill of 2025, the Kenya Accreditation Regulations, General Regulations 2025, and the Fees Regulations 2025. These documents have been prepared in collaboration with the Attorney General, Kenya Law Reform Commission, as well as the Ministry itself, and they are aligning, they are proposing to align Kenya Accreditation Service to be fit for purpose, to align the Accreditation Service to be able to serve the country towards the first world. We have had a few gaps in our laws, including very many unscrupulous entities that operate without being able to seek accreditation, and of course then Parliament amended the law in 2024 to make accreditation mandatory, and therefore these regulations will be operationalizing that.
The milling plant, coffee milling plant, will also have a lab there, and the services from the accreditation services from KENHAS is one of our requirements, and as the county we will make sure that we are meeting them. We want to welcome KENHAS. I know they have been doing a lot of services to us in Kishu County to support especially on what we are exporting as this county, so that we are meeting the standards. We want so that we are the international standards that is required for any export that goes out of us in Kishu County. As our farmers, they are meeting those standards. They are exporting what is required, and giving confidence to our the markets for our products.
Na riboti yo igukorwo igituhe kanyaga gukorwo tugikiria kwa ndagika oro nini ndugathi haraya nitugucokereria tukumenyithie mangi.
Ino station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Tomate wiki ugituria mundu muoyo indi kiugo kiumite kanua-ini ka Jehova ya mundu muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba. Kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, hallelujah.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rucini nyitanagira na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jaswina Ministry tabarira-ini ya neno la uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa hata kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Hallelujah.
Ugatarwo na maandiko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwihoko muturire-ini. Neno la uzima nitugie kariko.
I love your voice. You have led me through the fire.
We haririe kuoye kinya mbere hari kiria wiriragiria guthoma ndugathini kiringiri kuona Jewel Technical College mari haha ni undu waku tuthomithagia ko tiganite ta journalism and media studies niguo memerekia, hospitality management niguo rugi, cosmetic beauty therapy nimo maundu mege maingi no thaka, IT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makiria moguo na thiomi cia nanja nicio Korean language o hamwe na German. Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatanda tigania na TRM no tuhorere thimu na mugwanja kifugu imwe ithatu kifugu mugwanja imwe niyo 0701300071 kana no tusherere rurenda-ini rwitu ni ruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence uta Kemuma, automatic utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo na mi twende Kemuma Engineering System. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano. Tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa Githima rucini thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitana na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyakandeto theinie wa tabarira ya Riũa rĩa Wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe. Igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaingira kiberereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithira KW. Mugaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku, na kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya Ikumbi ria Kigosho. wathi wakura wongagĩrĩrwo ngĩ tabarĩra ya kũinĩkĩrĩria o ĩrĩa gũkinyagira mũthenya wa Jumamothi rĩu nĩ ũkĩte na riri mwerũ. Tabarĩra-inĩ ĩno ya kũinĩkĩrĩria tũrĩkũrehagĩra bandi all the way kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia ũtukũ nginyagia thaa 6 ũtukũ gatagatĩ mũthenya wa Jumamothi, ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kuma gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Mũtabanĩtio nĩ MC Kĩheji wa Gĩtawa.
Kereria ngonyite ugeni ikereka rĩa kerĩ tukorwo tugithii na mbere na guthomera mohoro na kambuni cia wĩigithia na SACCOs gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na iria irĩ na makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1.4 iria andũ maigĩte nĩ morĩtio kũnyihanyihia marĩhi ma njoherera harĩ ũheani wa ngombo na nĩguo aigithia gũkorwo makĩgunĩka na mbeca icio. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio wa o mwaka kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri, mwandĩki mũnene Patrick Kilemi augĩte ũtongoria wa SACCO nĩ wagĩrĩire kuiguanĩra na kunyihanyihia interest na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 12 harĩ igana na nĩguo aigithia gũkorwo magĩteithĩka.
What is important to members is low interest. Our president has been very vocal that he wants the interest regimes in this country to be single digit. You know, our main loan, most of our SACCOs is around 1% per month, which is around 12%. I've challenged the Honorable Chairman and the directors to look at how can we compete, because I want the SACCO movement to compete on the interest they are charging their members when they borrow money, as opposed to dividends. How can they be the first SACCO to charge their members less than 10%, 9% they are single digit borrowing regime, and I know it is possible.
Today we have disbursed over 1.1 billion as dividends, and as people are trying to create that issue about interest and dividends, definitely if the members can be able to get lesser interest loans and also expect to get lesser dividend, that is an equation of balance where we can balance the dividend and so it is doable, and by the end of the day the member will still benefit. So you can lend with less, but they also expect lesser dividends and interest rates.
Do not go to a cooperative because they will be paid dividends. They go so that they can access funds to develop themselves. While we are here talking about dividends, think about a teacher who borrowed money, was paying rent, is no longer paying rent, but he is in his own house. Isn't that an added advantage? So I will say this, it's neither government or ourselves who must regulate. Okay, central bank occasionally looks at how to go about the interest. We know this is done because some people can be cutthroat and what have you, but the truth of the matter is that once a SACCO can look at it, there are the standards, and they will look at it, they will develop projects.
Kogina kuwa aikari itũra-inĩ rĩa Kangeta Beti ya mũhuro kaunti-inĩ ya Embu nĩ matabanĩtie mũrũrũngano magĩtetia kwehererio tabarĩra ya waki wa barabara gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo aikari nĩ matetetie rũhonge rwa waki wa barabara KERA nĩ kũmehereria tabarĩra ĩyo na ĩrĩa maugĩte ĩrarĩ ya kũrehe ũthii wa na mbere mwena ũcio. Kũringana na aikari aya nĩ atĩ tabarĩra ĩyo ĩrabangĩtwo kũgerera itũra-inĩ rĩa Kangeta ĩkĩnyitithania kaunti ya Embu na kaunti ya Kirinyaga, no ĩndĩ ĩratwarwo taũni-inĩ ya Gacurĩrĩ ũgũthiĩ ndaraca-inĩ ya rũĩ rwa Thiba. Nĩ ũndũ ũtigĩte mwena aikari a mwena ũcio makĩona matiganĩirio nĩ thirikari na tabarĩra cia gĩthirikari.
Ukiangalia rami imewekwa huko Mwea, imetoka huko inaenda Itangi, inaenda kutokea VI, rami mzuri. Hiyo ingine imeenda mpaka Ngurubani. Sasa tunaomba hii barabara yetu itolewe kutoka Kangeta inje ipitie hapa, iende kwa daraja, iende Kiombo, tuende na hivi ndugu zangu dada wenzangu. Kaomba hivyo. Tunasihi Kenya yetu, na Ruto alisema hii lazima iwe kwa rami. Kwa hivyo tunaomba Mheshimiwa His Excellency president ajue tunalilia kuwekewa rami kama Wakenya wengine.
Hii barabara ilitolewa na serikali kutoka Gachoka, Kangeta, Kiomboine Road, Tamak Road. Si mimi kama mkaanzi wa hii area, hii barabara inatuokolea sana. Tunarima Mogoka, Mirandanga, Ngara, Nairobi na inapitianga kwa hii barabara. Tunarimanga Mesiri, kampuni za Mesiri ziko huku. Hii Mesiri inapitianga kwa hii barabara inaenda Nairobi. Kuna shamba la maua kubwa sana inaitwa Findes Kenya Limited. Tumeanjiriwa huko na tunafanyanga kazi huko. Maua yetu wakati wa mvua barabara inaharibikanga, maua yetu inakaa kwa barabara inaozea huko. Tunapata hasara, tunakatwa mishahara. Sasa hii barabara isipowekwa rami tuko na gharama mingi sana.
Tuliahindiwa, tuliparticipate katika public participation meeting mara mbili. Tukahindiwa ya kwamba tutapewa rami. Na rami wakakuja wakapima barabara. Na sasa imefikia wakati tunaambiwa sasa rami hatutawekewa. Sisi tunataka kundemand hiyo Tamak Road kwa sababu tuliahindiwa. Ahadi ni ndeni. Ni kama kunyang'anya mtoto mkate wakati umemnunulia mkate na ukampea tena unamnyang'anya. Hakuna mtoto anafurahia, ama nyinyi mnafurahia kunyang'anywa rami? Sisi tunataka rami yetu irundi hapa kwetu. Tuko tayari, mashamba yetu iko tayari kuguswa na hiyo rami. Tunasema kera warundi kasi.
Tumeshikwa na huzuni njoo tumeona kama barabara yetu imeanza kuachwa na makontrakta na injinia ambaye ni wakera. Kuhusu vununu tunasikia ati kuna watu ambaye wanaanza kuandika barua ati wataki barabara ipitie kwa mashamba yao. We wonder, tunashangaa ya kwamba barabara inapitia kwa mashamba ya watu na tulifanywa public participation na DCC na engineer wakera pamoja na contractor, na tukakubali ya kwamba barabara ianze kutengenezwa itakapomaliza kupimwa.
Riboti yo igi tafarira ya waki wa farafara itwithiranirie kiheo kabiru thaa 7 tucemanie ciehanda wega thaa 1 na thaa 3 haria tugukumenyithia maria magutinda makihanika guku bururi-ini hamwe na aria othe manyitira mwaro utigira wenu watwamukira na njira igwete tuma na mwerekeri wakwa Peter Gachara uria wakorwo akiri muhuri wakwa wa bica tuma na MC Kiheheji nake mutwathiriri kana uria wakorwo akiri mwena wa live streaming tuma na Yvonne Kamande mutwathiriri na njira ciiko etagwo wa Mbui wa Gaku ni njitagwo wa Ngari wa Kimani tugie na hwaini mwega na urothie na mbere na kwagirirwo ni mahinda.